Okay, Bismillah. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. First of all, let's thank to our God, Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala, who has given us mercy and blessing. And don't forget to make salawat to our Prophet, Prophet Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam, who has guided us from the darkness into the lightness. So let me introduce myself. So my name is Muhammad Shafwan. I'm from 10th grade software engineer. And now I will be the host of this Weekend Tech Talk series. And today, as usual, we have one speaker. His name is Fauzan Fathurrahman. And he will bring material with the title is UIUX Design Things. So Fahri, please welcome. Uh, so, hello. Can you hear?
Hello, Mr. Shafwan. All right.
So, Fahri, how's your day?
Uh, Not bad, Alar. I think we can start the stream.
Now,
Yeah,
you are you ready?
yeah, of course. Inshallah.
Okay. So, yes. Uh, um, Instead, uh, do uh,
My stream, yeah.
yes.
Okay.
Enter your stream.
Right. So, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. All right, guys. What's up? So, as Awan said, my name is Fachry Fauzan Fathurrahman and usually called as Fachry Fauzan. And in today's WTT we can tech talk series. We're gonna talk about UI UX design things. So what is UI and UX? So UI refers to the screens, buttons, toggles, icons, and other visual elements that you interact with when using a website, app, or other electronic device. UX refers to the entire interaction you have with a product, including how you feel about the interaction. User interface and user experience are interrelated and important in the development of websites and applications. They can even determine how many websites are visited and how many applications are downloaded. But do you know what user interface and user experience are? See or listen to these explanations. So, user interface is a part of UX in the form of the appearance of a web design or application. The display allows users to connect and interact with the product. UI also serves to beautify a display so as to increase user satisfaction. But not only beautiful, UI should also be easy to use. UI components include frames, buttons, icons, layout, and other interesting visuals. All of these components are designed with a focus on the beauty of the appearance and ease of use of the user so that users can enjoy your product. User experience or UX is the process of designing a product through the user's approach. We can design a product according to the wishes and needs of a user, or we usually is call it a custom. With a good UI, with a good UX design, the product you design will create a pleasant and comfortable experience for users when using your product. This UX component includes the features provided on the product: design, structure, navigation, visual design aspects, and all aspects of interaction with users. UX is also about how you determine branding, content, and copywriting that suits you target your target audience. So now I'm gonna tell you about UI UX differences. So the first is design goals. The focus of creating UI and UX design is very different. UI UX UI design focuses on the beauty of a product, while UX focuses on user enjoyment when using the product. So, the UI design will give the user the first impression when viewing your account. Meanwhile, UX design affects how the user experience when using the product. The second difference is design process. So, different process goals also affect the process. Therefore, the process of UI design and UX design is different because it focuses on user experience. The design process is based on user research, so as to product designs that are liked and needed by target users. The process also goes through many stages and requires many parties, one of which is a UX researcher. After doing research, designers design sketches with wireframes and prototypes. Meanwhile, UI design also requires research. However, the research needed is design research to make design that are attractive and in accordance with the concept. UI design UI designers also need to design model, namely making mockup first. The third difference is design components. The components that make up the UI design focus on the beauty of the product's appearance. These UI components include colors, images, animated videos, typography, buttons, and other visual interactions. UX components almost cover all components, almost all almost cover all components of a product such as features, design structures, and applications, including interface display, copywriting to branding. So it requires team collaboration to produce a good product. And the fourth is tools used. Different manufacturing process require different tools. For UI designers, the beauty of a product is very important. So they need software that supports detailed designs. There are many UI design software such as Flinto, Principles, Xframe, Adobe Illustrator, and many more. This software also has UI design support. Software such as unique interaction icons, easy transitions, UI assets and kits, and other else. Meanwhile, UX designer prioritize design prototyping so that it's easy to get feedback from users. Some software for designing UX includes Sketch, Efficient, Adobe XD, Extra, and other software that UX designer use. Some of the available features such as collaboration features, real-time editing, easy to test design, and other features. This feature will make it easier for UX designers to get feedback to produce user-friendly products. The fifth is require required skills. UX designers and UI designers and UX designers have their own skills or abilities. Some of the skills needed by UI are graphic design, design branding, creative thinking, and convergent, convergent thinking. These skills must be processed by UI designers in designing product display to make them look attractive and easy to interact with. While the UX while the UX designer is responsible for designing the product with a user approach to make it easy to use. They must have the skills to do research, analytical thinking, problem solving, critical thinking, and creative thinking. Now, I want to tell you sites, couple of sites to search UI. and UX references. So when we are developing or designing a product, sometimes an idea is difficult to come up with. What kind of product we want to make? The easiest solution is to see the applications that have been made. However, looking for examples of ready-made designs on Google Play or App Store is impossible as it is difficult. So here will be displayed sites that contains design references, be it web design or application design. So I'm gonna share you my screen so you guys can see the sites or the websites to to see design references. So I will share my screen now. So the first, guys, you can see the StreamYard here, but I won't talk about that. Okay, so the first uh, website, the first UI UX differ, the first UI UX references website is Dribble. You can type it on the Chrome dribble.com, triple B. You can see there. So this Dribble is very popular on UI and UX designers because this website contains many beautiful designs and not only UI or UX design, but also, you know, you can see many design types such as typography. Let's see the typography one. See the design of professional designers made. So you will see this shirt that, yeah, beautiful design. A cup of coffee solves everything. I mean, not everything, but yeah, and many other designs. But now we will see the mobile design one. Okay, guys, so you can see many UI UX design, especially for the mobile one. So you can see these beautiful designs that professional designers made. So I will search for my favorite UI. Uh, let's see this one. Ah, I am liking this one because this design is in dark mode because I love dark mode and I love blue also because I don't know why, but I think a uh, dark color, black or a dark blue is very beautiful when combined with blue like this. I don't know why, but it is beautiful for me. And yeah, you can see many other designs. Yeah, you can see many designs here. And other website is, oh yeah, you can see the search bar here, so you can search for a UI UX design that you want, such as sports or social media, something like Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter, I think, and other social media. And yeah, I think we'll try to search something here. Okay, so what time is it? Oh, okay. So I will search for social media here, and we will press the mobile button here. You can see this social media designs. All right. This one is like TikTok, something like that contain I don't know, bro. Something like that. Yeah. And many other social media designs. So this one is like Instagram. There there are stories of our friends. Ah, okay, beautiful design. And this one is also like Instagram or YouTube. I don't know, or TikTok. This one is like TikTok for you. And yeah, and if you want to upload your design, just press this upload button. And this is my account. All right, so move to the next website. So my other websites for UI UX references is Uplabs. I think so. All right. It's, mm, uplabs.com. All right. Nice. So to be honest, I I never use this website. I mean, I have an account in this website, but I rarely use this website because I don't know why. Because Dribble is still my favorite to searching for searching UI UX references. But yeah, this website is also very popular. Yeah, maybe not as popular as Dribble, but it's still very popular on UI UX designers because yeah, maybe we can see social media also in this search bar. Ah, you can see this. Uh, this one is not only for seeing the references. I mean, the home page is showing you, uh, let's see, like this. So when you see dribble one, you won't see like, is this compatible with Figma or is compatible with other UI UX tools, so we can use it, we can download it, so we can use the design. It won't show you, but when you press the post of someone in the dribble, they will show the descriptions, and they will show the feedback or comments. And now usually there is a price here, or usually the users, the owners of the post will show you the website, other website that will help them to sell the product, to sell the design. And you can see here, nice, you can see the price of other posts. So Dribble won't show you the price, the tools that are compatible with the design. But Uplabs will show you the compatible tools like this. This is Figma and this is free. And if we scroll more, uh, okay, this one is Adobe XD, something like Figma, but Adobe have made it, and this is free. And this is Adobe Illustrator, and this is free. And yeah, yeah, and yeah. If we search something like social media, they will show you it will show you the design. Hey, what is this? What PowerPoint? I don't know that application. Okay, but okay. And I don't know. But yeah, so oh yeah, there are kits, templates, illustrations, and the Uplabs will show you those things, so you can search more about it. Just press one of these. So I will press UI kits. Oh, okay. Never mind. This is a premium only feature. And let's move to other website. The third website that I will show you. This third website is called Awards. People D. Triple W, I think. Yeah, Triple W. Ah, this one. Awards.com. Triple W. Something like this dribble with basketball logo, but this one has triple B, and something like this, something like dribble. This one is awards with triple W. Yeah, I think so. So dang. Okay. Uh, I've never I've never used this site, so yeah. But I think this site is very cool. Okay. Let's search for. Uh, ah. So last one we search for UI UX for website. So maybe we will see the website one. Mm, okay, let's see. Okay, okay. This one is very cool. Look at that. So many people call this color is aesthetic color, something like that. But uh, I am more into modern and futuristic color and minimalist color, something like that, and minimalist shape. Uh, let's see the example of it. Not this one. I think. Oh no, not this, not this. Oh, okay. So the bell just ringing, but never mind. Yeah, because I have wedded it today. So yeah. Okay. Something like this, I think. Oh, this site opened the post. Someone post just like Dribble. They are popped up. Okay, this UI UX of mobile design is very simple, I think, but I love the design. I love the simplicity of it. It has the cornering button. So yeah, so those are the websites uh, for searching UI UX references. And now, so my plan is to show you guys how to make a simple UI UX design with Figma. I think you guys already know Figma. So Figma is a tool, something like Adobe XD. I think my friends are explain it before my serial. So something like Figma things, something like that. And if you guys not now, if you guys are not now about Figma, you can watch my friend's video. So yeah, so just but yeah, my plan is to show you guys how to simple UX design with Figma, but I think we didn't have enough uh, time for it, but I will show you my design later. So now I'm gonna explain about the tools that are very useful for UI/UX designers, especially in Figma. So first tool is prototyping. So a feature that makes it easy for us to test the screen design that we have made, so that we can run it like an application, but not really an application. This feature is useful when you want to create several interconnected field designs. How to use it is quite easy. Select the frame or components you want to click, go to the prototype tab, then specify the destination frame. The second tools the second tool is smart animation. So this feature we can use to add animation when transitioning the display. By default, there is an animation that we can use for transition. However, Smart Animate is specific to each component in a field. How to use it is quite easy. Just go. No, no, no. Yeah, quite easy. Just go to the prototype tab, then for animation, select Smart Animate. And the third is plugin support. As the name suggests, we can use plugins to speed up the process of creating an application design. Figma provides several plugins such as the Google Sheet Sync plugin. With it, we can display data that is on a Google Sheet into a design plan that we are making. The example of very important plugin in today's design is Unsplash. So Unsplash is a website or plugin in Figma that will help you to search many beautiful images that you want to use in your design. So the fourth is auto layout. Proceed to the features that make it easier for us to organize the components that are in a design. With this auto layout, we will find it easier to arrange components, especially those related to size and position. And the fifth or the last is collaboration. This feature allows us to collaborate directly it's giving company this whether it's giving comments, making changes, and so on. To collaborate to collaborate is easy. We don't need to do any specific configuration. Just share the project link and voila, we can do it right away. So guys, I will just show my UI/UX design in Figma. So I will share my screen again, and yeah, you will see my designs. So let me open Figma first because Figma is quite long to load. So yeah, I will just open my Figma first. Like so just wait for it. All right. You can see my face here. Very handsome. So yeah, I am very handsome, right? Of course, I am very confident of my face. Okay, so yeah, okay, right. Let's just open screen sharing. All right, add my screen to stream, and voila, you will see my Figma here. All right, there are many designs that I've made with Figma. Okay, which one is my design? Okay. Okay. Okay, so guys, you can see this icon spec. Icon specs. I mean, uh, um, I think that is one. Oh my god, the bell is ringing again. Okay, alright, guys. Oh my god. Okay, okay. We will see this design. Um, what time is it? I think 2 minutes or 5 minutes more, and we will end this stream because I have to pray Asar. Yeah. So, oh my god, this is nice. Okay, so guys, this is uh, my social media design that I've made because I am very, in Indonesian it's called gabut. So yeah, my gabut is very useful at the time, but now it's not very useful because I always sleeping when I am gabut or yeah, something like that. Okay, so you will see my design here. You will see the prototype of my design. So I am using a smartphone called iPhone 13 Pro Max. I think you guys already know it because iPhone is very popular, and you'll see this screen called splash screen, and you will see the splash screen here with logo. Uh, this logo called Car IO, and this is a loading bar, and you will see this intro screen, and yeah, something like that, and uh, yeah. So this is login and register page or screen. We call it in UIUX design for mobile, and this is something like Instagram. This is story. This is prototype tab. Ah, we will see the design tab first. So this is the story, and this is the post, and this is the export screen. This is the saved screen, and this is second screen, and this is when you want to log out from your account. It will show you here, and you just press the logout, and it will back to the home screen, something like that. But before that, it will show you the goodbye screen, and this example of stories, something like that. And these are the components that I used in my design. Uh, this is the newest component, but I am not using it because it's just a gagal, something like that. And uh, this is loading bar, but I am not using this one. I'm using this one, and this auto text. You will see it, and this is the password one, and this is the button one. Like we will see the prototype. Like let's see when you want to. Oh yeah, let's see the prototype tab, and you will see the prototype here. So many, right? Yeah, because I'm very gabut. So yeah, let's see the prototype. Just press this play button and not play button of YouTube, but something like that. All right. You can see the loading bar is doing his job, and now the next button is revealing, and this is the intro screen. You can see this beautiful design I've made, and you can see the auto text is texting its own. Right? Let's see the register one. You can see the auto text is doing his job. All right. After this one, let's press register, and it will show you the home screen, and this is the explore screen. You can see something like Instagram, like that, but I'm not design this the post screen because I don't know. I was forgot in time. So the saved screen, and this one is the icon, the our icon screen. So this one is for editing profile, but I am not using. I am not designing the screen because I was forgot also. And this button, oh my god, this button, the last button touch is for log out from your account, and this one is, like I mentioned before. Are you sure you want to log out? If you're not sure, just press this button, and if you're sure, just press this log out button, and it will greet into you. Goodbye. And if you press the one of our friends' story called John, will show you this screen. And the next story is Big Smoke. Okay, but it's Toyota Supra, and this one is supermoto bike, something like that. And done, something like that. Okay, so thank you guys for listening to our weekend tech talk series. So I am sorry if I am not uh, explaining it more, because we don't have many time, because actually we are late to do this stream, but I'm very sorry for that. And yeah, thank you for listening my explanations of UI/UX design things. And Awan, it's your job.
Oh, sorry, sorry. I forgot to unmute my my mic. Okay, thank you, Fahri, for telling us something useful. Okay, guys, thank you for watching this stream. I hope you understand what Fahri said. Uh, what Fahri has said. Hope is useful for you guys. Okay, now it's time for us to pray. As I say, wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullah. Bye bye guys.
Bye.
Bye.